MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil and TireRack.com.
We're only 4 months into our year-long test of this 2022 Kia Carnival, and it still looks great, accomplishing Kia's mission as people seem to have a hard time believing it's a minivan until they see those wide sliding doors open to reveal lounge-like seating, dual entertainment screens, and cavernous space. This second row is the place to be in this Carnival. I mean, these are literally called VIP lounge seats, and they're aptly named. I mean, they move every which way you could possibly want, except outside the vehicle. So you can't go full-on max cargo like you can in some other minivans, but hey, that's the price you gotta pay if you wanna live the Kia VIP lifestyle. Just returning from a recent fall getaway that included lots of curvy roads and spectacular autumn scenery has put our tally at 7,200 miles, with fuel economy at 23.6 miles per gallon. It was a real joy to drive and even not drive occasionally, as Kia's highway driving assist and lane following assist keep you in your lane and at the proper speed, but does require you to stay engaged in the process. Stay tuned for more updates on our fleet on the next MotorWeek long-term road test update.